Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best WhiteSmile is probably one of the most sought-after teeth whitening products on the market, promising a brighter, more confident smile. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we will delve into a comprehensive review of WhiteSmile, exploring its features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Crest 3D White Strips Vivid Plus. It's clinically proven to whiten your teeth up to 8 levels in just 12 days. Get that perfect smile for your special day. Say goodbye to years of stubborn stains. They effectively remove stains for a brighter, more confident smile. It uses the same safe and effective whitening ingredient that dentists use, so you can trust its gentle power. With its advanced no-slip grip, they stay comfortably in place. You can even talk and drink water while wearing them. This complete kit includes 10 whitening treatments, plus 2 bonus 1-hour express treatments. Everything you need for a dazzling smile. What we like? It's clinically proven to whiten your teeth up to 8 levels. The strips are enamel safe and have a no-slip grip, so they stay put. If you're looking for a convenient and effective at-home whitening solution, this is a great choice. What people say. After the first day I saw visible results and now I have a couple left. They're so much whiter. I used one full box, 12 treatments, and was really impressed by the difference it made. My teeth almost matched at that point. I bought another box and used half of it, 6 treatments, and you can't tell where my real teeth stop and the reconstruction begins. These are easy to use and effective. Number 4. Auraglow Teeth Whitening Kit. It's the most powerful teeth whitening kit on the market. It uses an LED light and 35% carbamide peroxide gel for fast results. Get professional level whitening at home. It's similar to in-office dental laser treatments, but more convenient. The LED light activates the gel to whiten your teeth faster. Remove years of stains in just 30 minutes. This kit includes 20 whitening sessions. It removes stains from coffee, wine, soda, tea, and smoking. It uses the same laser LED light technology dentists use, bringing fast whitening results right to your bathroom. It comes with everything you need: 2 syringes of 35% carbamide peroxide gel, a whitening light, a case, and a charging cable. It's safe for your enamel and produces minimal sensitivity. You'll get a brighter smile without the worry. Our whitening gel is made in the USA, ensuring safety and efficacy. You can trust the quality. What we like? This kit uses an LED light and a powerful whitening gel to whiten your teeth faster. It comes with 20 treatments, giving you plenty of uses. If you want professional level results at home, consider this powerful option. What people say. With the Auraglow, I saw results after the first 30-minute treatment. And even more after the second. I've done 2 sessions and can see a bit of improvement already. There was a noticeable difference in the color of my front teeth after the first use. I had some stains that the dentist couldn't remove. Number 3. VieBeauti Whitening Pen. It effectively and quickly removes years of stains caused by coffee, tea, wine, smoking, soda, and more. Plus, its natural mint flavor leaves your mouth feeling fresh. It's ultra-safe and provides fast results with just 1 minute of daily use. You'll see results with continued use, whitening your teeth 4 to 8 shades. It's the perfect at-home solution for premium quality whitening without sensitivity. No need for expensive dentist treatments. It features a durable twist mechanism with a soft brush tip for a complete whitening experience. The transparent tube lets you see how much product is left. Its compact 5-inch design makes it easy to whiten your teeth anytime, anywhere. Take it with you for a bright smile on the go. What we like? This whitening pen is painless, easy to use, and perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. It's got 30+ uses, so it will last a while. If you need a convenient and portable whitening solution, this pen is ideal. What people say. Actually works and is not sticky or gross when applied. Doesn't have a strong taste or smell. The product also spreads evenly. Minimum sensitivity. After a couple of days use I could really see the difference, and now after a week of use I would say my teeth are 2 shades lighter and brighter. Plus I have sensitive teeth that I treat daily, so far no increased sensitivity, a huge plus. I am all about white teeth, and using this daily keeps my teeth nice and white. It removes stains too. Very effective and easy to apply. Number 2. MySmile Teeth Whitening Kit. Get ready to reveal your most radiant smile yet with our innovative teeth whitening kit. It's designed for fast, effective results from the comfort of your home. This kit effectively removes stains caused by coffee, smoking, wine, and more. It's also vegan, gluten-free, and sugar-free, making it a healthy choice for a brighter smile. See visible results in as little as 10 minutes. The powerful gel and LED light technology work together to whiten your teeth by 2 or more shades. Achieve professional-level whitening results without the high cost of in-office treatments. It's fast, effective, and convenient. Our whitening gel is Intertech certified safe and uses carbamide peroxide to minimize sensitivity. It's also gluten-free, kosher, and sweetened with xylitol. Millions have already discovered the MySmile difference. Join them and experience a brighter, more confident smile you'll love. MySmile is proudly made in the USA, ensuring the highest quality and safety standards. Experience professional-level whitening you can trust. What we like? Get a brighter smile in just 10 minutes with this kit. The formula is non-sensitive and vegan-friendly. If you're looking for a quick and gentle whitening solution, this is a great option. What people say. We noticed results after the very first use. We're amazed and kind if confused that it works so quickly and there is zero tooth or gum pain. I tried it for a little over a week and I could actually tell a difference. Especially in the crevices between my teeth that whitening strips never reach. Even better, I didn't get any oversensitivity and it didn't leave an awful taste in my mouth. I used this product before my wedding, and it whitens teeth very quickly. You use the product for 10 minutes per session, and I only used it 4 to 5 times. I got the exact color teeth I wanted, and it was very easy to use. Number 1. VieBeauti Teeth Whitening Kit. Tired of stained teeth? This at-home kit uses a powerful LED light and whitening gel to remove stubborn stains quickly and easily. Get ready to smile with confidence again. It features a dentist-grade whitening gel and 5 bright LED bulbs for fast, effective results. Save money and time compared to professional treatments. With a built-in 10-minute timer, you can relax while it works its magic. Just 3 10-minute sessions are all it takes to see a noticeable difference. The kit includes a remineralizing gel to protect your enamel and reduce sensitivity. It's a gentle yet effective way to brighten your smile. It comes with everything you need: whitening gel, remineralizing gel, mouth trays, and a convenient carrying case. Even extra trays for friends and family. Made in FDA-registered facilities, it adheres to strict quality control standards. It's safe, effective, and ready to use right out of the box. What we like? This kit has 5 powerful LED bulbs and includes a remineralizing gel to protect your enamel. It also has a built-in timer for easy use. If you want a powerful yet gentle whitening experience with added enamel protection, this is the one for you. What people say. It comes with 3 5ml whitening gel syringes and 1 5ml, blue, remineralizing and desensitizing gel syringe. It also includes 1 universal mouth tray, which means anyone can use it, 2 moldable teeth trays so you can mold them to your own teeth, a lightweight LED light device with a carrying case. This product really covers all of the bases, and here's why. 1. You can use it with the universal tray. 2. You can use it with the molded tray. 3. You can use it without a tray and just apply the gel directly to your teeth and use the light. After just a few uses, I saw a significant improvement in the whiteness of my teeth. It effectively removed surface stains from coffee and tea. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.